everybody, my name's Brylan.
I'm Lisa.
And today we got one of my favorite videos I've ever done because it involves food.
Yes.
And not just food, delicious food.
We do love to cook and we love to eat. So today we're actually working with Home Chef, which is a home food and meal delivery service. This is our first time ever trying out one of these companies before, and we have loved our experience. We got 3 meals. We're gonna show you guys us making all 3 meals, doing the unboxing, just pretty much everything, what we thought of the meals.
Okay, spoiler alert, it rocks. I mean, there's no way around it. It's super cool. The convenience, how prestige the meals come out looking.
Yeah, they're like gourmet.
Seriously? Like we just made an immaculate meal in our pajamas the other day.
Yeah. So we have a really awesome deal for you guys for Home Chef. If you use our link below and our code Brylan and Lisa, you're gonna get $30 off your first order, which is 3 portions for free.
That is actually really cool.
Yeah, it's a huge deal. So if you guys have ever been curious about trying Home Chef, this is the time to try it because you're gonna get 3 of your meals for free, which is awesome.
Okay, I'm starving. Can we just get into the video?
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, so we just opened our Home Chef box, and it looks like these are the different recipe cards.
This is one of the coolest things I have ever seen.
And so I was interested to see what this is like. It looks like it's insulated somehow. It looks like for each meal, all the ingredients come in their own bag so that they're all together.
2 little potatoes.
Oh, I think those are the meats down there. There's ice packs on them.
2 chickens. 2 steaks.
And turkey for the meatloaf. That's neat. Oh, and they're frozen still and everything. So they stayed really cold. That's actually like really cool. I was wondering how that worked.
One thing we didn't notice was tucked in the side here, a little binder. I was wondering why they were 3-hole punch.
Yeah,
I was like,
I thought it was
cool
so
if we could, you know, if it came with a binder, but
yeah,
it does. Suppy! So today we're gonna be making chicken moutarde.
we had no idea what moutarde was, but we looked it up and it's French for mustard, so mustard chicken.
With roasted green beans.
And like, this is the picture. This is our goal of what we're going for here.
This is really exciting because we both love cooking. So,
And I think they make it really simple if maybe you don't cook as much, but you're wanting to get better at cooking.
Exactly.
They have all the ingredients for you, the right proportions like Bri said, and then they have the recipe, and the recipe I was reading over, it's very thorough. So even if you're newer to cooking and you want to get better, I feel like this might be a good option.
Another awesome thing with this is they give you super generous amounts. These chicken breasts seem like they're pretty dang big.
Yeah.
And look at these green beans. So this is for a dinner of 2. And they give you green beans for like a dinner of 12. Another cool thing I want to point out is they give you the mustard, of course, but it's called grainy mustard. So I open this and it smells absolutely delicious. Go ahead, hey girl. Good girl. Okay, you guys, the food just came out of the oven and it looks so fantastic. Yeah. We're gonna plate the food and you guys are gonna decide in the comments who plated it better. Hey, no, we're done. Hey, she's cheating. Lisa's cheating. Look at her. She saw my plate and then she went back and tried to make hers look better. Okay, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. So here's your plate. You wanna give them a little guided tour of your plate?
So right here we have our delicious green beans on the side. Our chicken laid nicely in front of our green beans with the sauce just laying on top, coming down, oozing down to the plate deliciously.
Wow, that was... And then here we have one of the most beautiful plated food item thingies that I have ever seen in my entire life.
Okay.
Look at this. So you have the green beans with some of the garlic and parsley and red peppers sprinkled on top with the olive oil drizzle on it. The chicken with the mustard and parsley. Nicely generous serving on there for the chicken. With the sauce ever so slightly caressing the chicken. But there's some on the side as well to dip it in later on. Now it's time for the taste test. Look at how delectable that looks.
And the sauce is all creamy. I feel like, what's like the right word? Like it's almost like a tanginess a little bit from the mustard. Like a little bit of a spicy tang. It's really good.
Oh, the red pepper and the garlic on the green beans is like the perfect combination.
Oh, I like that. I feel like we're like eating like a gourmet meal in a restaurant.
I know,
right now.
this is pretty dang sweet. So we just devoured our plates.
Yeah.
Chicken moutarde is one of my favorite meals now.
Yeah.
So we're having our second meal. It's called steak à poivre.
Maybe, I don't know. But it's steak with roasted onion and mashed potatoes.
Oh boy. I am known to like me some steak, some of that red meat. There we go.
Mine's better.
No, okay. So this is Brylan. That looks like something you'd spend like $400 on in a fancy restaurant.
Look at that gourmet.
Okay, now get a good angle on mine right here. Hey! It's time for the best part.
The taste test.
Okay, that glaze. What the heck?
Oh, and I wanted to say we did make an adjustment to this meal. We cooked our steak longer, just because it was gonna come out like kind of medium, and since I'm pregnant, I need it more well done.
Taters are delicious.
That pepper crust on the steak is so good.
Some mashed potatoes, some onion, and a mushroom.
I'm having my first mushroom. Those are good, they're nice and tender. We should do our potatoes like that from now on with the onion on top.
Seriously,
That's
I'd be okay with
good.
that. Today's Meatloaf day. Today we're gonna make the smothered turkey mini meatloaf, and it looks delicious. Check it out.
With mashed cauliflower and gravy.
Show that picture.
Oh yeah.
So it's funny because all three of these meals are like three of my favorite meals of all time.
Totally won.
No, I did.
It's better.
Now it's time for our favorite part, the taste test.
I like how it has a little bit of the tang because of the ricotta cheese. I've never made meatloaf with ricotta cheese inside of it.
Yeah, it's weird. So this meatloaf doesn't have like bread or egg, but it has ricotta cheese. We already kind of knew this because we make cauliflower mashed potatoes already, and they come out delicious. And these are no different. You would think they were like fluffy potatoes. This is definitely the most simple tasting, and that's not a bad thing.
No, it's really fresh tasting, which I like.
Yeah.
So now we just wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about Home Chef. First of all, it's super easy to join. You just sign up, you fill out a little profile. If you have any food allergies or foods you'd like to avoid, for example, we like to avoid wheat and gluten. So they had an option, or they always have options for us to be able to do that, which is really cool. And we like to eat healthier.
Love that.
There are always at least 14 different meal options, which gives you a huge variety to choose from. You can always skip weeks too if you're gonna be out of town, or there's just a week where you don't need to get any meals. It's very easy to skip, so you're not having to pay each and every week if you don't need the meals.
So what's cool is that you pick the day, the exact day that you want your food to be delivered, and they'll send you all of the ingredients you need. You will need your own salt, pepper, olive oil, you know, the little stuff like that everybody already has. But to make the meal really what it is, they send you all of the ingredients. And it comes out literally exactly like the picture. And nothing ever comes out looking like the picture. Like, when was the last time you ordered something like on a menu and it came out looking like the picture?
It doesn't come out.
It never comes out that way. But these, you saw it, like they came out looking pretty good.
Yeah, they look amazing. And another thing was, it was just fun. We kind of felt like we were having like a little date night at home, getting to cook these meals, and there wasn't any stress or anything involved, and it was just fun for us to cook together.
And another awesome thing that I like is that it's $9.95 a meal. Like I said, they come out looking like you spent $80 on them. So it really is an awesome value.
So if you guys do want to try out Home Chef, again, we have our link below. Use our code Brylan and Lisa to get $30 off your first order. That's equivalent to getting 3 portions for free, which is such a great deal. So take advantage of it, you guys. I think you are really gonna enjoy it like we did. And let us know if you decide to try it out.
Oh, and let us know the meals that you chose that you wanted to receive, because maybe we could try them too.
Yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated whenever we post a new video. And comment below what meal looked the most delicious to you and who plated it better.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.